Around 20 MLAs belonging to the warring Meitei and Kuki communities of Manipur met in Delhi on Tuesday for the first time since ethnic violence broke out in the northeastern state 17 months ago in a bid to hammer out a peaceful solution to the ongoing conflict. The Bharatiya Janata Party MP Sambit Patra and the 3 MLAs from the Naga community were also present at the over 2-hour-long meeting convened by the Ministry of Home Affairs as part of its efforts to iron out differences between the Meiteis and the Kukis and find an amicable solution to the crisis. However, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh did not attend the meeting, even though the centre's interlocutor A.K. Mishra and other senior officials were present. In a statement, the MHA said a group of elected members of the Manipur Assembly representing the Kuki, Mar, Meitei and Naga communities met to discuss the current scenarios in the state. The meeting unanimously resolved to appeal to the people of the state belonging to all communities to shun the path of violence so that no more precious lives of innocent citizens are lost, the statement said. This was the first time since May 3, 2023 that the Meitei and Kuki MLAs were in the same room. Sources said both sides put forward the views and grievances of the 2 communities and their sufferings during the long turmoil. The MLAs also discussed the way forward and how to go about in the coming days, but nothing concrete could be achieved, they added. It was a good beginning. We were not expecting a miracle at the first meeting, but it is an achievement that we could bring MLAs of the 2 communities under the same roof. We hope that they will meet again in the near future so that a peaceful solution is found, a source privy to the deliberations said. On Patra's presence at the meeting, the source said he is the BJP's coordinator for the Northeast and was instrumental in bringing the MLAs to the capital. Efforts will be made for similar meetings of civil society groups of the Meitei and Kuki communities so that their differences could be bridged and peace restored in the state, the sources added. On the other hand, the meeting was held with meetings separately. Meitei, Naga and Kuki MLAs were met the central team separately. They are not sat on the same room, another sources said.